Okay, in number 4, we have a quarters and dime problem. So we're going to use our standard mixture table, right? And the mixture table has 3 rows and 3 columns. So the columns are going to be the amount of a certain coin, like the number of coins, times the value of the coin, right? Value of the coin. And that's how much money you have. And for problem number 4, we have dimes, and we have quarters, and then we have the mix, right? So for the mix, there's no value for that coin. So now let's see what it says. It says a jar contains 55 quarters and dimes. So that's the mix is 55. The total value of the coins is $8.50. Now this you can use decimal or you can use pennies. So I'm going to just eliminate my decimals, right? And I'm going to use 850 cents instead of $8.50. Then it says find the number of quarters and dimes. So dimes will be D, quarters will be Q. The value of a dime is 10 cents, right? Because I made it 850. If I was using 8.50, the value of a dime would be 0.1, right? And a quarter is 25 cents. And now we multiply across. So this is 10D, and this is 25Q, right? And the equations come here, right? There's the first equation. There's the second equation. So the first equation is D plus Q equals 55. And the second equation is 10D plus 25Q equals 850, right? And it's always advisable to simplify our equation. So I'm going to divide both sides of this bottom equation by 5. So what do I get? I get, because there's a common divisor there. So 10 divided by 5 is 2D. 25 divided by 5 is 5Q. And 850 divided by 5, that's 170, right? 170. And now the top equation, so that I could use elimination, right? You could use substitution, but I'm going to use elimination. The top equation, I'm going to multiply that by -2, both sides. So I get negative 2D minus 2Q equals negative 110. And these are the two equations now that I can use elimination for. So -2 and +2 is 0. -2 and 5 is 3Q. And negative 110 and 170 is 60. So we divide both sides by 3, and we get Q equals 20. Now I substitute in, right? D plus Q equals 55. And Q is 20, so D plus 20 equals 55. We subtract 20, and we get D equals 35. So we would write 35 dimes and 20 quarters and box that as our answer.